Hoover, whole house, elite pet. Wind tunnel, 2 channels of suction. A little bit of dust in there, but let's check this out. That could use a cleaning. You can wash this in water. Okay. And that's the retractable cord right there. And this will show the belt. Oh, the belt's not broken. It's the pulley system. That's this pulley system right here. Yeah, this tensioner was jammed in there. I'll release that. Let's pull the brush bar off and check the bearings in it. See how good it's smooth. Yeah, nice and smooth. A lot of gravel in there though. Yeah, this tensioner was jammed in there. That's what it was. So it's gonna need a good cleaning. That's about it. Maybe some oil in there along the, see wherever it moves right here, put some oil in it. So yeah, doesn't need a belt, just a good cleaning. I'll release that. Let's pull the brush bar off and check the bearings in it. See how good it's smooth. Yeah, nice and smooth. A lot of gravel in there though. Good thing it's summertime. Get a tub of water out and throw it all in there and clean it up. I'm going to start dismantling this. There's a little clip right here. Just clip it. This will come off. Now we can get out all the screws underneath. Okay, I've pried this open so I can get these screws out. Because I can't figure out how to get these screws from there. Because there's 3 screws holding this from the other side. This is what holds the body up. Okay, now let's see if I can get this thing off this. There, it's off. Oh, I'll undo this piece here so it's not the motor's not flopping around everywhere. Okay, this piece, and this piece is over here. See, even there can use a good cleaning after you unscrew it. You can see it. Instead of retaking one of the scenes in the video, I'll show you one of my mistakes. Is when I was prying this here to get those little clamps off here. I'll show you the clamp. These clamps here. See, when I looked underneath here, it was so muddy that I couldn't see a screw right there. And this is the plate here with the one screw in it. So once you have that screw out and you unclip it right here, this lifts off, and then you can get at these screws better right here. Undid a screw, put this off here. That's where the HEPA filter goes, down in there. Yeah, this will have to come off to take this off. To open it up. And then you got to screw down in there too. The two screws that hold this plate are smaller, so I'm just going to put them back in because all the other ones have been the same size. Filter, more screws. I've taken the two screws out from here and those two, and this should just lift off here. Should, but it's not. Oh, that's coming off. That comes off, just clips here. There's a couple screws down below here as well. Let's see if this will come apart yet. Maybe this recoil is holding it. I'll get those two off there. There's two screws way down in there too. Now I can lift that off. Maybe one screw. This should just pull off. Easy. Pull these screws out and open it up, because there'll be probably dust in there. Because there's dust there, so there'll be dust all the way along that track. Oh, that's coming. Leave a little bit here so I know black is black. there's a little this thing here. I'm sure I can figure that out. Get the cord out of there. And this here, you just push that through here. There. Two things taken apart. I wanted to get the motor out, but I'm gonna have to cut the wire and join it up with the Moret later. I'll just keep a little bit of red there so I know. There, now I can pull that motor out of there. And this little vibration ring can come up. I'll just blow this out with air, and then you clean the fins like I mentioned with the Q-tips. See why I wanted to do that? Because there's dust behind there, so that can be washed in water now. And the recoil I'm just gonna wipe down, because if I start taking this apart, there's a spring in there, and I don't want to get the spring wet either, because it'll rust. Here's everything I'm going to wash in the water. I'm not going to wash the HEPA filter in the water, but I'll take this little screen out. Oh, you can't mix up these screws. Look how long they're. That can get right into the bin for washing. I'm going to cut all the hair off and carpet, and I'll just give this a quick wipe with the rag. But it is spinning good, so cut that off with the X-Acto knife. Quick rinse, and then pull the table out in the sun. Let it dry.